Welcome back to Squawk Box. As states are looking to reopen, many companies are looking for ways that they can monitor the health and safety of their employees. This week, Clear started rolling out its Health Pass, which is a touchless technology that tracks health insights for people looking to enter places of work. And we want to welcome Clear CEO Caryn Seidman-Becker to the program this morning. Good morning to you. Most people know Clear by going to the airport. It was born after 9/11. This is another crisis with a new component that's being born. Explain what this product is in terms of how it's going to work relating to COVID.
So you're right. Clear was born out of 9/11, and it was about a public-private partnership leveraging innovation to enhance homeland security and delight customers. And that was really the beginning of Screening 1.0. And just like screening was forever changed post 9/11, in a post-COVID environment, you're going to see screening and public safety significantly shift. But this time it's beyond airports, right? It's sports stadium, it's retail, as Dana talked about. It's office buildings, it's restaurants. And so while we started with travel at our core, we're a biometric secure identity platform where it's always been about attaching your identity to your boarding pass at the airport, or your ticket to get into a sports stadium, or your credit card to buy a beer. And so now with the launch of Clear Health Pass, it's about attaching your identity to your COVID-related health insights for employers, for employees, for customers. Everybody wants to know that each other's safe to start to reopen businesses and get America moving.
Right.
And our North Star is about making...
Just to clarify one point about this, though, this program is not a testing program, though I imagine testing can be added to it. But this is about people answering questionnaires about their own health. And so the question is, how do you think about that in terms of creating a trusted environment?
Absolutely. You're right. This is not a testing platform. Just like airport screening is a multi-layered approach, Screening 2.0 is a multi-layered approach to buy down risk and increase confidence. So it starts from a mobile app perspective with facial, connecting your face to your identity and the questionnaire. You then bring that into the physical environment where it's about your questionnaire and then temperature. It's also then about linking, just like we built those links to tickets, it's about linking to lab companies and test data. And this will continue to evolve with social distancing, with masks, but it's about putting that whole picture together, those many layers. And ultimately the vaccine,
in terms of,
you are your vaccine.
Right. In terms of the cost of this to employers and also its relationship to the Clear Pass that people are used to using, both now at airports, but also at stadiums, are they connected? Is your identity connected? Is that information shared? These are, of course, then we get into the privacy issues.
So privacy and data security is job one at Clear. It has been for 10 years and it will continue to be, right? We've built a brand that stands for trust, which is why we think we're uniquely positioned here. So we'll be retrofitting our pods at airports for that experience with temperature and be able to integrate it. But this is very separate, free for consumers. And then we'll be partnering with enterprises just like we do with Delta and United at the transportation and talking to great people, whether it be Jim Murren trying to open Las Vegas or Danny Myers on the restaurant side or people in real estate like Scott Reckler. So you have such a united front here to bring forth the solution.
Real quick, before we go, do you see a day where we actually test every single person who gets on an airplane?
I think that's a great question. I don't know that I'm the right person to answer that. I see a day where we need significant amounts of data to health insights around COVID and potentially others, right? This is the beginning to create a safe travel environment.